independence. To all the Indians and Pakistanis, thank you for sticking on my channel. Like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. The Xiaomi Pad 6 is one of the largest tablets in the market. It towers over the 11-inch Pad 6 Pro. It also shares many features with it. The Max has a 14-inch display, giving up to 64% more surface area to work than the 11-inch Pro. It will feature a 10-bit 2.8K display with HDR 10+ Dolby Vision support with up to 600 nits brightness. It has Gorilla Glass 5 for protection. It has 120Hz refresh rate and the display has been designed for both work and play. There are 8 speakers on board with the Dolby Atmos support. All this is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. The base configuration is 8256, but you can get up to 16 GB and 1 TB of storage. It runs 10,000 mAh battery, which recharges at 67 watt fast charging. 50% will charge up in 50 minutes and 68 minutes to charge 100%. It can be used as a power bank for smaller electronic device with 33 watt reverse charging. In hibernation mode, it lasts for over 40 days. It has a 20 megapixel front facing camera on the front. There's a LED light to warn you that the camera is in use. It has 4 microphone array to focus on a single person or a group chat scenario. The rear is equipped with a 50 megapixel camera. It comes with a kickstand that has keys which are full size, and there's a large trackpad also. The keypad is detachable, so you can use the slate only using the kickstand. Max has a unibody which is 6.53 millimeters thick and weighs 50 grams. It's available in black and silver color. It will be available in China starting today, and the base model is priced at 3,800 yuan. The prices for the first few days will be around 3,600 yuan. So the prices start from around $550.